Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate ginger spice cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Plus, I'm also posting lots of new bonus videos up until Christmas. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on medium speed for 1 minute. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract, and beat them in on medium speed for another 30 seconds. Then in a separate medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and add in the chopped candied ginger and chopped white chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips, and mix them until they're combined and it forms a dough. Scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie. Roll it into a ball. And roll it in some sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar because it gives nice flavor and crunch to the cookies. And place them onto an ungreased sheet pan. And keep going until there's enough cookies on the pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart to give them space to spread. Bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes until the edges are starting to lightly brown. The centers may still look very soft, but they will harden more as they cool. When they're done, remove them from the oven. And I like to bang the pan a few times to flatten them down so they're not so puffy. And let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make white chocolate ginger spice cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.